Assalamu alaikum kids, hope you will be fine. Today we will learn about fruits. First we have revised our previous lecture में हमने सबसे पहले apple पढ़ा था, apple and then banana. Which fruit is this? This is banana and this is apple. Now today I am going to talk about a very yummy fruit, strawberry. Which fruit is this? This is strawberry. This is strawberry. Its color is red. Its color is red. You know, fruits are very healthy for us. Okay, दोबारा repeat करते हैं. Which fruit is this? This is strawberry. This is strawberry. Please learn on daily basis. Thank you. Have a nice day.